Hello students, I had a question about the assignment in week 1 activity using APA style. So I just want to go clarify. In this assignment, I say to use APA 7th edition style for all assignments in the class. I have included several links for you to review. This is a video, and this video covers APA citation for beginners, and it's going to show you all about APA citation. What is a citation? What does it mean? And then it's going to go through how to make an in-text citation as well as how to make a reference. These are sample references. And the next video is about how to format your paper. So whenever you submit papers for this class, you're going to use APA style. And this video explains how to do that. You can also use Google to find your own videos about APA that can help clarify. And I also put in here a sample format for student papers. So whenever you submit an essay in this class, these are the things, this is the way you're going to format your essay. And whenever you write in this class, if you write a paper, I often ask you to make connections to the reading. So when you make connections to the reading, you'll need to create an in-text citation for the textbook. You'll create citations in the paragraph where you reference the textbook information and end your paper with a reference. So right here, I have another link to a video that explains how to make references. So this right here shows you it's always the author's name and the date. Author, last name, and date. That's in the in-text citation. But then when you're making a reference for a paper, references, this is what a reference looks like in APA. So watch the video. It's going to help you understand more about APA. And then I also gave you some links that I like to use for APA. And it shows you a picture. What I like about this website is that there's a picture of what the APA is supposed to look like. So as you can see here, it's the author's last name. It's the first name and initials, the year, the title of the journal article or book, italicized. You want your entire title lowercase except the first letter of the first word and the first letter of the first word after the colon. And then you're going to end with the publisher. And also you can put in a link if you have a link. And then another website I like is the OWL at Purdue. The OWL at Purdue is going to give you an example of what a book reference looks like, and then an actual example of a book reference. Okay, so this is your example right here. You're going to do author, first name, year of publication, the title, italicized, the publisher, and the link. So here's an example. Stoneman is the last name, R is the first name, 2008 is the year. Alexander the Great, A Life and Legend, that's the title and it's italicized, and then the publisher. So this is a really good site. And then here's the directions on the assignment. For this assignment, so after you watch the videos and review the websites, you should have an understanding of what an APA citation looks like. And then I ask that you create an APA citation for your textbook. Your textbook is here. This is your textbook. It's called Organizational Behavior. This is a summary of the book. These are the authors. This is the publisher. This is the date. And this is the link to your book. So you have all the elements. Now in here I put an example. So here's an example of a book I read. The book is called The American Community College, and this is the citation. So The American Community College, 6th edition, was written by Cohen and A.M., that's the first name and the middle name, Brower, F.B., and Kisker, C.B. These are the authors. And as you can see, it's the last name first, then it's the first name and the middle name in initials. And this is the year that the book was published. This is the title of the book, and this is the publisher. So you have the formula. So go ahead and take a stab at it. Take a try to create an APA citation for your textbook. So go back to your textbook, which is here. Get the authors, get everything it says here, and create a citation in APA. So I hope this answers your question. Thank you.